welcome back. We are doing the third part of our cruise packing video. We are getting ready to go on a cruise down to California coast. Well, I guess not really California coast, Mexico coast, Pacific coast, Cabo, Ensenada on a Disney cruise, 5 nights. I have already gone through what I'm bringing for my son, Cole, who's 3, and my daughter, Kendall, who's 2. And this is kind of going over what we're bringing for having in our cruise stateroom and toiletries, accessories, fun items that we're bringing, our boarding bag, those things. So I'm going to go through what I'm taking on the boat for us to have while we're there, extra things and fun things also. I am going to do another video that's just what I'm bringing, my clothes, jewelry, extra things that I'm going to be bringing for me to have also. I plan to bring just 4 suitcases hopefully, and then also like a bigger little suitcase, a smaller suitcase I mean, to have for our toiletries. So let me show you what we're bringing toiletry wise and to have for use on our stateroom. Get started here. We are bringing a backpack. This is our Disneyland backpack. It's our Stitch Lounge Fly backpack. Little guy from Bath and Body Works. This is just so that way we still have little kids. We need stuff, we need clothes, we need wipes to have in this backpack, hand wipes, hand sanitizer, that kind of stuff. So that's what we're bringing there. Do have some luggage straps so that way we can try to keep our luggage together and maybe not have to have anybody help us. We are walking from where we're parking is right across the street to the cruise terminal in San Diego, so our plan is to leave it there and we'll walk our kids and our luggage to the cruise terminal next weekend. I am bringing this little Vera Bradley bag. It's just a little wallet, but it is a wristlet and has a little strap you can wear as a crossbody bag. Here is our documents. We have notes on there where we want to eat when we go to San Diego, our cruise book, our passports, our port check-in sheet. They give you this little book whenever you're going on a cruise. It has your luggage tags in it. I think we get 2 luggage tags per person. I think you can request more once you get to the port, but it has a little vacation checklist in here, embarkation information, what you need to bring, vacation summary, where you're going, things that you already booked for. We're doing a Lands End coastal cruise and beach break in Cabo. That's just like you go, I think I call it a catamaran around the cool areas there in Cabo, Los Arcos, those type of things. We have tickets for Princess Gathering, Frozen Gathering. Kendall is only 2, so I have booked her some time in the Flounders Reef Nursery. So Cole gets to go to the kids club, but Kendall will have to go on to the nursery. So it kind of goes over all those things that you're going to have on your cruise. And then this is my boarding bag. It's just a Vera Bradley tote bag. Our swimsuits, this stuff is going to go in there. I'm not really sure what else yet, to be quite honest. We'll have to pack it up somehow to know where all of our stuff is. Our camera bag that has our SD cards, you know, all stuff there. Bringing this USB port. You're not allowed to bring power strips on the cruise ship, but you can bring these USB multi-port devices. There's a couple of places that have plugs. There's also some USB plugs once you get on board in your stateroom, so I'm not sure how much we'll need of that, but we are only bringing a few things, our phones, cameras that require USB charging. The rest of our stuff is going to be not in use. We are not bringing tablets or anything like that with us, and on the cruise ship anyways. So we were bringing these 2 water bottles. I got these at Target when they rolled out all their Disney stuff at Target this summer. I heard that the little cups that they give you for the water and free soda out on the decks are small, so one of the cruise sites bring a water bottle. I'm bringing some for my kids too, but they're already packed away in the snack bag that we're taking down for our road trip from Las Vegas to San Diego. Extra Ziploc bags, can't ever go wrong with those. I do always bring this with me when we go to Disneyland, so I figured I probably should bring that too, or pretty much any vacation. It's just like an external battery for my phone. Underwater camera. This is a Samsung underwater camera. It's pretty old. We've had it a few years, but it works great for underwater stuff, and we're planning on being in the pools and the ocean, so there is that. I am bringing the kids little sunglasses. Got a Minnie Mouse one, and I think that these are, yeah, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse sunglasses for a cruise ship for the kiddos. Another tip I heard was to bring glow sticks. So we're bringing a couple glow sticks from the Dollar Tree, some glow necklaces to have at nighttime for the deck parties, a laundry bag to hang up in our closet there, just one that we always take with us on vacation. I did get my husband and I some lanyards to take with us on the cruise that hold your card that you charge everything on. And there's also this little card I got off Etsy that's a Disney Wonder deck plan. So it goes through and tells you on what deck you'll find all the main things, such as shopping, entertainment, lounges, bars, let's see, general information, pools, dining, kids club, theater, recreation. And I know that once my kids saw that we were wearing lanyards, they would want lanyards. So I picked these up just at some little convenience store. It's a Disney Princess one, and then also a Stitch one for my son and my daughter. Some phone cases, waterproof phone cases, pretty self-explanatory. They're autograph books for the kids. I've been to Disneyland a few times, so they're kind of already have some autographs. We'll see which ones we can get while we're there. I know the princesses for sure we have never had. The magnets we got to put on our door. The door on the stateroom, on the deck we're on, the door is metal, so you can bring magnets to decorate your door. It's a sport thing I feel like everybody does on Disney cruises that I've watched on vlogs trying to prepare for this cruise. So we got this little Halloween one that just tells what ship we're on as a little memento memory. Kendall chose Elsa. I got Minnie Mouse. I just love Minnie. Cole is the Incredible Hulk. And Cody, my husband, is Bruce from Nemo. We all picked our favorite characters. I also made these. I just printed this emblem, this Golden Knights hockey team emblem. This is our local NHL hockey team here in Vegas, the Golden Knights. So, and then I cut it out and put it between two pieces of self-laminating paper, and then got some self-sticking magnets and put it on there and made these so we could represent where we're from. A Vegas strong magnet, Golden Knights. I did decide to bring some snacks for our stateroom. I just got these from the Dollar Tree. Got this little bin from the Dollar Tree. There's some Cheez-Its in there, some little cheese, breadstick crackers with Cheese Whiz. Really healthy things I took with us. Some peanut butter crackers and just some granola bars, and also some I have a helper here now. Say hi, Kendall. Say hi. Hi. Are you helping? You kind of just woke up. We're a little sad, so we're going to try to get through this. So snacks, self-explanatory to have in our stateroom. Favorite gum. Our duffel bag. Mr. Incredible's duffel bag. You find a Minnie Mouse. And I always bring them some little treats to have on the road that are new when we go on a special trip. A Hatchimal, the fingerlink we already had, this little treat, her Daisy and her Belle. These things all go in here. They already had these. Yeah, put your mermaid up so we can film it. You want to show them what you're doing? And then we'll move on to our toiletries that we're bringing. I already got my backpack, just the standard toiletries, things that you need. Makeup wipes, hairspray, my husband's stuff, toothbrush, powder, men's, body wash, some contact solution. I do bring the kids little booger getters. You want to show them?
Hi.
Say, show them your Minnie Mouse. Let's show the camera your Minnie Mouse. Oh, cool. Awesome. So brought her chapstick with us. And this is just the nose Frida and some saline. I do have some Orajel. Nobody's teething, but in case you have a toothache or anything like that. They both have one. Our medicine that we're bringing, kids' medicine that we're bringing. Yeah. And then the kids' stuff that we're bringing, diaper cream, Benadryl, Claritin, nausea medicine, cold medicine, cough drop lollipops. Cole does have some asthma, so we do bring his inhaler with us. And he does have tubes in his ears, so we bring his eardrops.
My phone.
What? Where?
Mine.
No, that's not a phone, that's an earring. And then us, we're bringing just standard cold medicine, nausea medicine, Imodium, vitamins, those type of things with us. Some big tub of coconut lotion that we get at Sam's Club. We all use this, so this is good stuff for us. I always bring a Vicks travel thermometer also with us. Me and my daughter have these matching Minnie Mouse bow earrings, so we'll put those on before we go on the cruise, and I always try to bring her an extra pair of earrings in case one gets lost. We don't want any earring holes closing up, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so this is Kendall, by the way. This is my little 2-year-old. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and then these are her bows. She's a little Vera Bradley bag with bows and hair things in it.
Mama, mine.
Yep, that one's yours. And then I'd always bring their little hair gel. I use the Fairy Tales Rosemary Detangler Spray for her hair. It's also a lice prevention, and also his hair gel is the same. Some Downy Wrinkle Releaser, a air freshener for our room, and I also usually bring some sort of essential oils with this. This is plant therapy ones. I really like the plant therapy brand. Peppermint, lavender, lemon, and their kids safe one, Germ Destroyer. And this is a little travel diffuser I got for Christmas, and I'm excited to try it. I've never used it, and I think it's powered by a USB port, and you can also put batteries in it, but we're doing the USB port. These are little pads you put the essential oils on. I also bring a set of rollers. I do some from Plant Therapy and some from doTERRA. doTERRA, I have On Guard, Past Tense, and Serenity that I really like. Those are the ones I always order. And then I have some peppermint that I have, some tummy roller that's a blend that I use from Plant Therapy. Kendall has showed you their chapsticks that they are bringing. They are bringing the kids their new toothbrushes, a Hulk and a Little Mermaid one. Also, we do have like 4 bottles of this spray and 1 bottle of this Neutrogena Beach Defense. It smells so good. It is the best sunblock. The kids shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, their toothpaste, some Band-Aids, some baby wipes, adult wipes, or just Cottonelle wipes, whatever. Wet ones, some Clorox wipes, some Kleenex, and then we always travel with this little thing that's a Scotch brand, with a sponge, some laundry detergent. Cole has some sensitivities to certain laundry detergents, and I just always bring that just in case. Veranda stateroom, so I'm sure it'll be pretty light whenever the sun's out. But we've got 2 little kids that are they're both potty trained, but middle of the night have to go potty. We're bringing this nightlight here that I have plugged in with us on our trip. It's LED color changing. It has a switch, and I got it at the Dollar Tree, so not very expensive. The only other thing I wanted to show you, I'm not sure if I showed you, was this little stateroom card key. It has a magnet on it. It says Disney Wonder 2018 and has Mickey Mouse and his friends being pirates on it, and it is you put this in a little slot, put this like in a little slot outside inside your stateroom, and it turns on the electricity in your stateroom. You can use your card that you get to charge everything with, but you might as well just have this there ready to go. I'm afraid I would leave my key in the slot and walk out of the room and not be able to get back in. And this I got off Etsy. All these things I got that are here off Etsy. I'm not sure what sites, but they were super fast shipping and did a really good job. And when I do my packing video, maybe I'll try to remember or find who I got these from, so that way I know. And that, I think, is all we have for this part. Thanks so much.